Hey, my besties. I would like to thank Fleximount for sending me this shoe rack organizer. It is a 9-tier, 18-pair tall, portable folding shoe rack for closet entryway. It's also a collapsible shoe cabinet with magnetic clear doors for front door entrance. I got this from Fleximount and I'm going to let you all know all about it. I took and unboxed it. It was pretty easy to put together. I would suggest that you do this in a bigger space because you'll see a little later that my space is not as big. Very clear instructions. There was no issues with putting it together. I just didn't have a giant space. I'm gonna show you all how I put it together and what I did and how I used this.
Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. Hey, save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself.
So, as you can see, this is pretty tall because I wanted to put it in this closet, but the top of it is going to hit the rod, so I have to put it in this closet, which happens to be my closet. So now I have to move all my stuff from there to the closet, get everything out of here, and then fill it up. And let's see exactly how many pairs of shoes we can actually get in here.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I question what my future has in store,
As you can see, it fits nicely in this space. All of it. The really nice thing about this is that it has wheels. Now, these little doors here are magnetic. You see the little silver piece right there, little piece, and the door just shuts. It's very nice. Good clean plastic. It came nice and packaged. It's not too heavy. It's very nice. It fits in there. So now we're gonna go through and fill her up.
get to panicking, anxiety, can't live here no more.
I will say, if you have an above size 10 shoe, whether it's male or female, this is not something that I would use it for. You can use this particular thing for any number of things. You can use it in the kitchen, in the hallway, in the bathroom, anywhere that you have space and you are in need of organization. I know it says that it's a shoe organizer, but it's just one of the many uses. You could use this in your bathroom as additional storage for any type of bathroom products or anything like that. You could also use this to hold your purses. You could use this for accessories. You could use it in your kitchen for, I wouldn't use it for canned goods, but I would use it for light things like bags, boxes, snacks, anything along those lines. So there is a plethora of uses for this. I originally wanted to use this for my husband's shoes, but his shoes don't fit because he wears a size 13 shoe and the shoe just doesn't fit in in there for that purpose. If you have wider feet or bigger feet or whatever the case may be, I would use this for something else. And you'll see a little later I have some other things in here that you could use it for.
No more, no more, no more. 'Cause I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I learned it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength. Self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. The root of my own pain. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, you got to save yourself. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, yeah, you got to save yourself. Save yourself.
I want to thank my sponsor Fleximount for sending me over this beautiful organizer and allowing me to showcase it to my besties. The link will be in my description box, so if you want to go and purchase this. It turned out nice. I've been using it for a couple of days. It's very nice. It's clean. It's keeping my shoes up off the floor. As you can see, I got my stuffed animals in the top one, but the magnetic clasps are nice. It closes. It's not like squeaking or making any crazy noises. It's got wheels. It's a sturdy piece of equipment and it works well. I do advise, if you want to get it for storage purposes, accessories, whatever. And here is the rest of the after shots for this room. I thank you for being here. I appreciate you. To check out the shoe organizer, the link will be in the description box. Go check it out, purchase one, and let me know if you like it. And I will catch y'all in the next one.